Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix high memory or RAM usage. So let's begin. So for the first fix you'll have to open run. To open run you'll have to click on the Windows key and R together. Now you'll have to type this and then click on OK. Now you'll have to left click on the small drop down arrow beside HKey local machine. And then click on the small arrow beside system. The next is control set and then services. And then you'll have to scroll down until you get to NDU. Right here. Now you'll have to right click on start and then left click on modify. You'll see the value data over here, which is 2. Now you'll have to remove it and then type in 4 and then hit OK. After this you can close this window and then you'll have to restart your PC. So if the fix 1 didn't work for you, you can try fix 2. So for fix 2 you'll have to again open run. To open run you can click the Windows key and R together, or you can even right click on the Windows logo and then open run from here. Over here you'll have to type in services.msc and then click on OK. Now you'll have to scroll down until you find this process, which is called sys main, and then you'll have to click stop. You have to stop the service. So basically note that if the fix 1 didn't work for you, then you can try fix 2, and then you'll have to click stop and your service will stop. Then you'll have to right click this and then properties. Over here you'll have to the startup type, you'll have to set it to disabled and then click apply. After this you'll have to restart your PC, and it's pretty important to restart your PC because if you don't restart this wouldn't work. For both fix 1 and fix 2 you'll have to restart your PC. Hope this video would have helped you, and for more similar videos you can subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.